Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain and do lab on MPLS multi-protocol level switching. Okay, first of all, what is MPLS? MPLS stands for multiple protocol level switching. It runs on multiple protocol and it is used to switch level. It works by switching level. It works by switching level from between the LSRs. Then MPLS lies between layer 2 and layer 3, and MPLS lies between layer 2 and layer 3, and MPLS consists of 32-bit 4 byte of MPLS header. Generally it consists of first 20 bits for its label, MPLS label, and MPLS label, and the next 3 bits for experimental purpose, and 1 bit for bottom stack, and last 8 bit for use for TTL. Okay, then first of all, MPLS consists of two control plane and data plane. Here in control plane we have IP routing table or router information base. Main routing information base table. Routing information is exchanged between LSR using routing protocols like EIGRP, OSPF, etc., and label information base. Label information exchange between LSRs using LDP or DTP. And when Cisco Express forwarding is we enable Cisco Express forwarding, then forward information base table is formed, and we have a label forwarding information base table also in the data plane. The main purpose of this plane is to forward label and unlabeled packets. Okay, then we Cisco Express forwarding generally consists of layer 3 engine, which is used to build routing tables, and it also consists of layer 3 forwarding engine, which is to switch data based on those layer 3 engine. Okay, then I'll go through the lab now, and I have enabled configure all the IP address and run OSPF on this both in this whole network. Now I'll go and work for MPLS configuration, and let's see. I have a configure here. We need to first enable label protocol, and let's see. Okay, in R1 config T MPLS label protocol. Here when we do this, then we can use LDP or TDP, and by default it is LDP, but LDP let us put LDP. Then MPLS LDP router ID. Let's keep the router ID of loopback 0 that I have configured. If loopback is not configured, then it takes highest IP address of physical interface. Okay, then now let's enable MPLS interface fast Ethernet 0/0 and MPLS IP. That's it. So MPLS LDP neighbor. MPLS LDP neighbor. Currently we don't have a neighbor, and so MPLS forwarding table. We have here a forwarding table, but we don't have anything here. Let's configure another one. In R2 configure T MPLS label LDP, MPLS LDP, router ID loop back 0, then interface fast Ethernet 1/0, MPLS IP, exit interface fast Ethernet 0/0, MPLS IP. Yes, exit so MPLS neighbor, so MPLS neighbor, so MPLS LDP neighbor. Okay, let's MPLS forwarding table. Yes, we have for this network we have a level 16. Okay, let's go and configure here first. 50 MPLS level protocol LDP and MPLS LDP router ID loop back 0 and interface fast Ethernet 1/0 IP address sorry MPLS IP exit to right. Now let's go in here and see. So MPLS LDP neighbor. So MPLS LDP neighbor. Here we see that peer LDP identification we have this 20 network. Then local LDP we have this own loopback and connection TCP, and we have port number 646 here and status operational and LDP discovery source are here. And so MPLS LDP neighbor respond to pure LDP. So MPLS interface we see fast Ethernet 0/0 MPLS LDP is running here, and so MPLS forwarding table. Here we have for two network for this network we have this, and for 20 network we have labeled this. We don't see any label for one network and 10 network because it is own it's its own network. Then let's go first here and check. So MPLS forwarding so MPLS interface. So we see here both fast Ethernet 1/0 and these have LDP. So MPLS forwarding table. Here we see that for 10 network we have level of 16, and for 30 network we see here for 30 network we have level of 17. And when we go here we see that for in router 2 we came to know that for 30 network we have level of 17, and when it goes to reaches to router 1, the level 30 network have the level of 18, which is swapped from 17 to 18. Similarly, we see that for 10 network we are currently having level of 16, and when we reach to router R3, we see that the level 16 which was given for network 10 will be changed to MPLS forwarding table, and it is changed from 16 to 17. We can also save the level as for our priority. So 150 MPLS label. Then we can keep the range of label 100 to 100 to 200 suppose. And for this then we need to enable or disable MPLS, then only it works. Let's see. Interface fast Ethernet 0/0 new MPLS IP introduce it. So MPLS forwarding table. Yes, we see that label has been changed, and we go here and do the same thing. Yes, similarly the label changes in the same way. We keep the label range of 100 to 200, and here we see that label has been changed, and also we go and see here. So MPLS forwarding table. Still we have the same thing. Configure terminal MPLS label range 100 to 200 and interface fast Ethernet 1/0 no MPLS IP exit interface fast Ethernet 0/0 fast 0/0 no MPLS IP so MPLS forwarding table. It will take some time. Okay, here we will do the same thing. MPLS label range 100 to 200. And interface fast Ethernet 1/0 no MPLS IP then use it. So MPLS forwarding table. Yes, label has been changed. Let's go and check here. Yes, it will take some time to change. Okay, yes, this is the exercise tutorial regarding MPLS lab.